Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to create a stunning book trailer in Canva? Let's make your story shine. Click the Create button at the top left of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Presentation to begin making a new presentation from scratch. In the template search bar, type Book Trailer to search. We now have enough samples available. At this point, you can simply use the data provided to continue with the process. Make sure everything is in place, then proceed using this set of samples for your next step as shown. Auto-select the items, then click Apply to automatically apply all the templates at once and streamline your workflow efficiently in one step. Next, add transitions to your project. You can choose from various color options here. This one works well, so let's select it. You have the option to apply the same transition style between all pages for consistency. However, I prefer adding transitions individually to each slide for a more dynamic look. For colorful slides, pick a transition that matches the theme. For white or simpler slides, try a different transition with a unique direction effect. Repeat this process to customize transitions for every page, giving your project a polished and engaging flow throughout. To add another direction, click the Add Direction button below your existing directions. A new field will appear where you can enter the additional direction details. Repeat this process as needed to include all necessary directions for your project. You can also add animations to your text. First, click on the text box you want to animate. Once it's selected, look for the animation options, which are usually found in the top menu or on the sidebar, depending on the software you're using. Click on the animation panel to open it. Here, you'll see a list of available animation effects. Choose the animation style you prefer, and it will be applied to the entire text box. If you want to animate individual words or letters, select the appropriate option within the animation settings. Adjust the animation timing and direction as needed to achieve the effect you want. This process is the same for all text elements. You can also add elements from the side panel to enhance your design. Browse through the available options and select any element you want to include, such as shapes, icons, or illustrations. Simply drag and drop the element onto your canvas and position it as needed. However, for this particular project, adding extra elements might not be necessary. Keep your design simple if it already looks complete, focusing on clarity and visual balance. If the space is too crowded, simply edit the details to make adjustments according to your preferences or requirements. After finishing your design, click the Share button at the top right of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select the Download option. A new panel will appear where you can choose the file format for your download. You'll notice several options including PNG for images, PDF print for high-quality printing, and PDF standard for a smaller file size. For most purposes, I recommend selecting PDF standard as it's suitable for sharing and general use. If you want to edit your slides in PowerPoint later or present them directly, you can also choose the PowerPoint format from the options. Once you've made your selection, click the Download button to save the file. You just learned how to make a book trailer using Canva. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.